born ready.
Okay, babe, so Mum's hive, what have you done so far with it?
Doing brood inspections today.
We're end of September.
September, macadamia across the way. Was just finishing this week.
Finishing this week.
So we're just going through
Backyard.
some tasty macadamia honey off these hives.
Look at the bees.
Make sure we've got some space in these broods. Very busy hive, as you can see.
This is one of the originals, number 6, that was in Mum's place at Wavell Heights until we had problems with our neighbour.
So we've taken a couple of brood frames out, a couple of old brood frames.
Yep.
As you know, if you're bee educated, you have to do that regularly. Not many people do, unfortunately.
And we put them in a nuke side. Mum likes yellow, that's why. Drivers, all sorts of colours. Interestingly, the yellow spray paint on the nucleus has faded,
Yeah.
but the pink
I think that's...
yeah, and we've probably got one too many supers on this hive. There's like wet and empty cells in every super, so they're too spread out. So that's probably what's going on with Mum's hive. Okay, this is the hive that Benny painted. We'll call it hive 12. And what have you done with this one today, babe?
Today we've just taken some honey off, getting some honey out of the brood, getting ready for the warmer months, and currently for the 33rd time today I've lost my hive tool.
You need about 33 more hive tools. You can have mine, but it's a bit of a disaster.
Where is yours?
Yeah, it's got grass all over it. Yeah, this hive, the honey that came off it, just was absolutely chock as a burcomb on top. Absolutely beautiful. They're just still building it out. There's the top box there. But yeah, when there's a big flow on, that's when they build a lot of wax. Helicopter, helicopter, helicopter. Great. Yeah, and we're leaving 2 boxes of honey on it, because when the nut flow stops, there's quite a hefty crash.
About a 4-week wait for all the paper bark.
Yeah, we've got a gap,
white bottle brush.
and they'll eat everything, so they need lots of food. Okay, this one, hive 26, we've had brood everywhere for ages because I took the queen excluder out yonks ago. We took a whole box of...
Well, these guys have been loving the macadamia.
Yeah, look at that.
This could be your best frame ever with that.
Too bad it's oh no, it's got wire in it. Lovely. Oh yeah. Macadamia honey, you can see it's white wax, brand new wax. We're going to put a clearer board under this half depth. This box. Stickies. Yeah. We're going to put a clearer board underneath this half depth box so that we can take it off, because we've just had no end of trouble with them going in all sorts of directions. Even when they've had a full one, an empty one, a full one, an empty one, it's all honeycomb, so they've just been messing about with it for too long. And a clearer board is a board that you put between 2 supers, and the bees can go down but they can't go up, which means it clears the bees out of your super for you without you having to shake and shake and shake and shake and mess up your queen and all that stuff. See, there's brood up there. Bloody brood everywhere in this one. Anyway, hive 26. Look at that. Yeah, they're pretty happy.